In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change divider colors in Notion 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Notion and signing into your account. Once you're in, create a new page, or open any page where you want a custom divider. This method works anywhere you can type in Notion, so you don't need any special templates or advanced settings. Inside your page, add a math block. The quickest way is to type slash, then math inline and press enter. You'll see a small equation field appear. Notion supports LaTeX for math, and we're going to use that to draw a clean colored line that acts like a divider. Paste this snippet into the math field exactly as shown. Hash color, color, wash name, wash rule, wash 5000 px, 3 pex, or wash. Here's what it does. The color command sets the color of whatever comes next. The rule command draws a solid line. The first number is the line's length, and the second is the thickness. When Notion renders this, you'll get a horizontal bar you can use as a divider. Now customize the color. Replace color name with either a standard color word like red, blue, green, or gray, or use a hex code such as #FF6B6B for a precise brand color. Hex codes give you full control and are great for matching your workspace palette. Adjust the length next. The 5000 px value is intentionally large, so the line spans the full content width in most layouts. If it feels too long or you want a shorter accent line, try values like 1200 px or 800 px. Keep in mind that Notion will clip the line to the width of the page or column, so going very large won't break your layout, it'll just ensure full coverage. Then fine-tune the thickness. The 3px value creates a balanced, visible line. For a subtle look, drop it to 1px or 2px. For emphasis, try 4px to 6px. Because this is vector-like rendering, it stays crisp at any size. When you're happy with the color, length, and thickness, click Done to save your custom divider. You can drag this block anywhere in the page to position it between sections, and you can duplicate it for quick reuse. If you ever need to tweak the style, click to edit the math block and update the values. That's it. A flexible, color-controlled divider in Notion using a simple math snippet. Try a few color and size combinations to create visual hierarchy across your pages, and keep a favorite version handy to speed up your workflow.